When you wake in the morning and I'm not by your side, just know that I'm happy with Alice. I'm stoned out of my mind, I'm hot buzz about 4 times since you left me to die last August. When you make it to Nashville, just tell me that one hat tilts, that shit ain't my scene. I got a tune guitar telling jokes too far, and my barber is extra lean. So roll when you're rolling, I'll be praying you'll find wherever you're going. Stay walking that line, 'cause I'll eat you and I'll spit you, but you're not kind of fool. They don't know like harder back home on my stool. Well, hi there, pluckers. Arbor Saw Fingers again with another hopefully interesting little number for all you Bryan fans out there. Another one of his new songs, like Ida. Okay, standard tuning, no capos, and once again we're doing it in the key of G, which is the same key that he performs it in on his video. Okay, and he normally he shows him playing bar chords. Okay, so I'm doing it without bar chords, just using standard open chords. Okay, so there's only 3 chords in the song. That's a G, either a simple G like that, or you can play the 4-fingered variety like I've just done, doubling up on the top 2 strings on the 3rd fret. Okay, a standard D chord and a standard C chord, G, C and D. Okay, so the introduction is just G, D, C twice. Okay, and the rest of the verse, and we go into the first verse in exactly the same chords. Okay, G, D, C, repeated. Okay, when you wake in the morning and I'm not by your side, you know that I'm halfway to Dallas. I'm stoned out of my mind, I'm hot buzz about 4 times since you left me to die here last August. When you make it to Nashville, you can tell me by one hat till that shit just ain't my scene. I'm out your pitching guns, can't go too far out my mind, and just extra damn mean. Okay, so it's just the same as the intro. Okay, all the way through the verse. Okay. So when you get to that last line, it then goes into the chorus. Okay, so it's like out of tune guitars telling jokes too far, and my bartender's extra damn mean. So roll when you'll see, rolling back to G. I'll be praying you'll D, find you back to G. Da 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 C, rolling back to G. Da 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 D, da 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 again. Da 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 C, G, da 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 D, back to G, da 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 C, G, da 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 D, intro, G, D, C, twice, again. Then we're into the second verse, which is exactly the same to play all the way through G, D and C as the first verse with different words, and into another couple of choruses exactly the same way as we just played the first chorus, which was, so it comes, I'll just do the end of the first verse going into the chorus and we'll sing the words. Okay, I'll try to. Okay, so it's like, out of tune, cars telling jokes too far, my bartender's extra damn mean. Roll and you're rolling, I'll be praying you'll find whenever you're going. Say walk in the night, 'cause I'll eat you and I'll spit you, but you're not gonna they don't know you either. Back home on Boston. Okay, that's the whole chorus, and every time you play a chorus, that's what you play. A nice simple song for you, 3 chords. And that's it, boys and girls. Nothing more to tell you about that. So thanks very much for watching, listening. Just a quick one for you there. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.